Hey guys, this is an HP Photosmart Premium C410a printer model. I just wanted to show you how to reset the printer and also get into the support menu. That's the kind of a hidden menu on this printer. This printer is very similar to C309a model. It's just this one is black in color, that one is in white. And the only other difference is that this one does not have the CD printing capability, so it doesn't print on the CD like the C309a does. So in order to reset this printer, we're going to press the star button and the hashtag or the pound button together, so like this here, and then we're going to see that it goes to enter special key combo. You're going to press 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to use the arrows to go right. This is the information menu. Reset menu is where we're going to go. We're going to reset the printer, semi-full reset, and that turns off the printer. Unplug it, wait about 15 seconds, and then you should be good to go. So after you turn the printer on, it's going to ask you for the language that you want to set it to, and then the region. And then it's just gonna do like a startup kind of. Don't worry, and this semi-full reset, you do not need to get set up in cartridges. It's just gonna use the same ones that you have there. It's just gonna do an alignment page. So just go ahead and do that, and you're gonna have a reset printer. And I'll show you in a minute how to get into this menu also to do some hardware failure resets, and to find out more information about your printer, such as page count and stuff like that. So once again, I'm going to show you how to get into the menu. You're going to press the start and the pound button together. So here we go, and then we're going to press 1, 2, 3, and when we got to our menu, we're going to use the right arrow for resets. That we already done that. For information, for example, you want to find out your page usage. You go to the counters. In our case, it's 1,130 pages that were printed, which is very good for this printer. It will easily go over 10,000 if it's maintained properly, and I've seen up to 20,000 on these printers sometimes. And even after that, you remove some gunk and clean some parts such as timing strip and other interior parts, and it keeps going. It's a very good printer. And then if you want to reset the hardware failure status, you can also do that. Sometimes, most of the times, it's just going to be something that you really need to go into the printer and clean something up or remove something. But sometimes just resetting it helps also. So if you go into the same menu, go one more time, and we're going to select system configuration, and then hardware failure status, and then to clear it, we're going to press OK, and then we'll just press OK once, and then you're going to press cancel to continue. So we've done that. So usually that problem goes away, and it comes back only if there's actually a problem again. So use that. Also, that helps. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you to reset your printer, maybe get some errors out of the way. And check out our other videos. We're going to go over some things such as where to look for paper jams and common paper problems, and just common printer problems with this model. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and have a wonderful day.